Morning, y'all. I am about to make us some breakfast. Really just some egg. Oh, I just ordered an outfit. Let me see. Thank you, Kiara. I appreciate your support. I really, really do. That just made my day. She got her a Royal Savvy. Beautiful outfit. Wanna know why that was? No, it wouldn't have jogged her mind if I wouldn't have posted nothing about it. So make sure y'all are posting, promoting your business, you know. Do that. Yes, you need to take these braids out. Look. Say hey. Get your hair done, then you eat. You gotta get dressed and ready. Look, now I gotta try to crack the egg with one hand. What are you doing? Are you pooping? Let me smell you. Let me smell your butt. I don't care no more. Just don't even butt in your little thing. That was a fail. I got shells and shit in here. It was just a little piece, so it wasn't really a fail. Y'all know something? I don't know how to crack no egg with one hand. That I cannot do. So, add a little spinach in your eggs. We got some eggs. My eggs a little bit different. Mine be like a little. They not runny, but they be cooked soft. My little eye is missing on my little tip notes up here. I don't even know if that's gonna show right. I'm supposed to say intuition never lies. Yeah, the eye got lost, so I gotta find it. I was doing his hair, and as you can see in the back, his hair is like slicked down, and that's because I used a harder brush on his hair. Of course it's gonna curl back up because he just has curly hair. Them little baby brushes, I'm sorry, but they do not work. So we have ditched the little baby brush. The doctor said no screen time here too. I use this therapy on my face. And just wash it off. If y'all see me looking in different directions, like I don't know how to talk to this camera with it pointing at the mirror. I usually just work out when it's doing that, so I don't have to talk. So yeah, if y'all see me looking in different directions or wherever trying to talk, it's because it's pointing at the mirror. Anyways. So this is the Black Girl sunscreen that I was talking about. And I also done made my mama get some too. I use this first. And it really only takes a little bit. Little goes a long way with this. It's on top of that. So I put the Black Girl sunscreen on first. And then this. Because it don't have like... It's like a face moisturizer, but it only have SPF 15 in it, so it ain't really that much. Makes my skin like super like, and it's oil free because I get real oily. I also don't put a whole lot of this either because you can see it goes a long way too. I've been slacking on my skincare routine. I'm not even gonna lie. I ain't been like sticking to it, and I'm really paying for it. Like I'm seeing it. Like when I be watching my videos, I be seeing, I be like, you need to get it together. Y'all can see my face looks glowy. What you talking about? What? Okay, we gotta take your pictures too, cause this was your birthday outfit, and you ain't get to take no good pictures in it. So come on, thank you for shutting it. All right, y'all, we are about to get ready because I also got a work meeting to go to in 15 minutes. So see y'all later. Oh, and make sure y'all follow my baby on IG at @ZAliSnipes. I'm gonna put it right here. So make sure y'all go follow my baby. He's really a good kid. He just likes to act like this sometimes. Oh, okay, come on. Y'all see this? First of all, let's talk about how he trying to get up under here and he already done got stuck once. Then let's talk about all that I just did to your hair this morning. And look at your hair. Look at your hair. Look what I just did your hair this morning. The little rubber band up pop. You just messed it all up. You wild. You wild. Look, stop. Don't mess my camera up. Zion. Look at your hair. I just took my precious time this morning to do your hair. And this is what you do. Don't you bite me. They see you. Stop trying to bite me. Look at the camera. No. Look, you gotta look right here. Look right here. Look at you. Look at your face. You see your face? Look at this hair. Oh my God. I cannot believe you, Zion. Oh. It's not funny. It's not funny. It's not funny. Hey y'all, so we are at Harold's Chicken. And I haven't had Harold's since, I don't know, I think it was the first time I went to Chicago. It was the first time that I went to Chicago. I had Harold's, but now that I brought it down here to Houston, and so at first I had to try it again. It was the first time I tried it. I'm like, will you stop? And I keep trying to beat me up. So I'm gonna show y'all my food. Y'all see this little pony I put in my hair, dog? I should have recorded it, but I didn't. But it's so cute. Okay. Quit. So when my food get here, I'm gonna show y'all my food. I got chicken and shrimp. You know, some people say this is just, you know, this isn't the real Harold's. If the people who own this place are from Chicago, then they know something. They know what they doing. This little guy. I'm gonna get him some mouth stuff. Some fries. You want some chicken? You want some chicken? Okay, y'all. We'll see y'all later. Say bye-bye. This is my food. I got 2 wings and shrimp and some fries and some coleslaw comes with on the side. Y'all, this how Zion be acting when you go out. Look at him. He trying to act out innocent. You ain't innocent. You just standing up in your chair trying to escape. Standing up. Drink out of this. Oh my God. Come on, let's go. It's time to go.